What do you see here on the screen? There are a lot of people who are wearing masks. And this was the situation in Delhi in November 2017. People were flocking to buy masks because the air was highly polluted and the visibility was very low in Delhi. It was so low that people faced great difficulty in driving and there were frequent accidents. Even many trains and flights got cancelled due to low visibility. And this created mass inconvenience. Not only inconvenience, rising pollution affected the health of the residents of Delhi. Pollution related illnesses increased by large number, which led to the declaration of public health emergency. So there were many people who faced difficulty in breathing because of rising pollution levels. Every citizen was inhaling impure air equivalent to smoking 50 cigarettes. So if you inhale smoke coming from 50 cigarettes, that was the amount of pollution which was going inside every citizen of Delhi. Now, what were the main reasons for such high levels of air pollution? Well, first was non-regulated industries. So industries were not regulated. There were not enough restrictions on the industries on the amount of toxic fumes which they can release in the air. Also, increased number of vehicles were also a major reason why pollution level was increasing alarmingly. Also, crop burning was a major issue. That is, when farmers are done with harvesting, there is a lot of crop residue left in the fields. And the easiest way to get rid of this crop residue is to burn it. And when they burn such crop residue, huge amount of toxic fumes are added into the air. So these were the three main reasons why the pollution level in Delhi rose alarmingly. So what were the steps taken? The government of Delhi took a number of steps to control the situation. And the first step was odd-even car ban rule. That is a date which is odd. For example, 7th of a month. Now, 7 is an odd number. So the vehicles whose number ends with an odd digit can only ply on the road. While all the other vehicles whose number ends with an even digit will not ply on the road. So this was a very successful plan because it led to reduction in traffic by 50%. So only half of the vehicles were on the road. And as a result, there was drastic reduction in pollution levels. Also, all public transport vehicles were encouraged to convert to CNG. Now, CNG is an alternate to petrol and diesel. Vehicles running on diesel and petrol release huge amount of harmful gases into the air, while vehicles running on CNG, that is natural gas, do not release such huge amount of toxic pollutants into the air. So definitely this was a much better choice. And once all the public vehicles were running on CNG, the pollution levels significantly decreased. So, can you answer this question? In order to control air pollution, Delhi government has encouraged all public transport vehicles to convert to CNG, petrol or diesel. What do you think? Well, the answer is CNG. So, all the public transport vehicles were encouraged to convert to CNG. Now, apart from that, Delhi government also strive to increase the number of public transport vehicles. Now, why is that important? Because a public transport vehicle carries much larger number of people compared to a private vehicle. For example, a bus can easily carry around 50 to 60 people, while a car, that is a private car, will only carry 2 to 4 people. So can you see the difference? The amount of fumes which are released in the air is same by both the vehicles, but one is carrying 10 times more passengers than the other. So increase in public transport vehicles clearly meant that more people will be using public transport vehicles and number of private vehicles will decrease. And as a result, pollution levels will come down. Another important step was to ban the burning of crop residue in Delhi and surrounding states. So, burning of crop residue in Delhi and surrounding states has been banned, and this has helped to decrease the pollution levels in Delhi. So, what are the main steps that have been taken by the government to control pollution in Delhi? The first step is odd even vehicle ban scheme. Second was encouraging alternative fuels such as CNG. Increased number of public transport vehicles. So they tried to increase the number of public transport vehicles and encourage citizens to use public transport vehicles instead of private. And ban on burning of crop residue, because crop residue burning in neighboring states was causing huge pollution problem for Delhi. Now, one very common step to fight air pollution is planting of trees, and it is applicable not only to Delhi but to the entire world. So, tree plantation is the most important step for curbing air pollution, and this is where even we can contribute, because planting of trees is not just government's responsibility. We can also plant as many trees as possible because they help to curb air pollution. And in Delhi, more than 11 lakh saplings were planted in 2017. So this was also a major step taken in order to curb air pollution in Delhi. So you see, when we talk about air pollution, it is a major problem for all of us. And in case of Delhi, it became severe. So air in our environment is getting polluted by toxic fumes coming out of factories, cars and other vehicles. And steps to curb air pollution should be taken in advance before the situation worsens. So we do not need to wait for our cities to become like Delhi before we start taking these steps. We should start taking the steps right now so that we do not reach the level of Delhi.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.